Hello everyone, we are back with another practicum. This is practicum 5 here, and so for this practicum, we are going to be focusing on a new thing, a new topic, which is called as bubble sorting. It's a sorting system which is usually we use it in programming, we can use it in any sort of program, which is like C, Java, Python. So, what is bubble sorting? What does this sorting method do? So basically, it arranges the numbers in either the ascending order or the descending order. But like in our program, we are focusing on ascending order, so that it will be easier to check which is the smallest data and which is the highest data. Uh, okay. So basically, how does bubble sorting even work? Let's say there is like five numbers, for example. Let's say 5, 3, 2, 1, and 4. So how does this program run is basically it will go to the first element, which is 5 here, and it will compare it to the second element, which is 2, never mind, 1, okay, or something, okay. So when it compares, 5 is greater than 1, so the 5 moves to the second position, whereas the 1 comes down. Now the thing will stay at 5 itself, so 5 will be compared to 3 here, which is obviously lesser than 5, so 5 will move on, 5 will also again move on, and 5 will move on till the end, and it will stay here. So then the cycle repeats. It's a for loop. So like it repeats till like the n number of time or the till the iterations are given. So then it proceeds again to back, which is now it's 1 over here. So 1 it's less than 2 or 3 here. So then the thingy will go here. Is 3 less than 2? No. So 3 will move here and 2 will go back to its position. And then 3 will be compared to 4. Obviously 3 is lesser than 4, so 3 will be staying here. 4 will be compared to 5, and 4 is lesser than 5, so 4 will be staying here. Then again the cycle repeats, and like 1 is 1 less than 2, yes. Then is 2 less than 3, yes. Is 3 less than 4, yes. Is 4 less than 5, obviously. So that's how the program works. So we start off this program with a basic header, which is like hashtag include stdio.h int main and nij. We write the enter the number of elements we are gonna be so making it in the ascending order. So yeah, the first printf and scanf is to like get the input from the user, like how many elements are there, and then we use this for I equals 0, I is less than n is the number of elements which we got from the user, and then we use it in array so that we can get like n number of outputs, n number of outputs in the sense like the number of elements, n number of outputs from the user. Again, what are the outputs? Let's say the elements are 5 elements are there, so I give like 5 values to the system, which will then, by using the bubble sort technique, it will just make it in ascending order, so it will be easier to classify and stuff like that. So then this main loop comes. This main loop is for bubble sort. Like the nothing will be changed in case, but stuff will be changed in case of descending order. The arrow changes over here. Other than that, everything's the same. I is for the rows and j is for the columns. And these values when temp equals rates j, and it's like swapping basically. The temp will be rates j will would be rates j plus 1, rates j plus 1 will be temp, and this gets looped every single time till it comes to the order of the ascending order, which is like the lowest number here and the highest number on the top. And yeah, we use printf sorted array since the output which we receive from the user was in the form of arrays. The I mean, my bad. The input we received from the user was in the form of array. So when we are displaying the array, it will also be in the form like in for loops. That's how we can display the array. So yeah, that wait. Yeah, that's how we do bubble sorting. Let's just run the program and see how it goes. So number of elements. Let me do 5. And for the values, let's go with 20, 13. I mean that's 3. My bad. 13, 45, and 67. Also, yeah, that modulus 2f stands here for like two decimals after the point, so that'll be two digits after the point. If I change it to one decimal, the whole program changes to like one decimal. We'll go with the same numbers itself. 23, 13. I don't think that's 13. Why do I have 2 3? I have no clue. 34 and 67. So yeah, it goes with like points. So point one means one decimal point, and point two it's two decimal points, and that's it. That's how bubble sorting works. And that's it for my practicum 5. and see you guys in the Practicum 6. Bye bye.